Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your TCL Android TV model and firmware so you choose the right reset path. Once done, sign out or note the Google account credentials and backup app data where possible. This prevents lockouts. Make sure any USB drives or HDMI storage are unplugged and paired Bluetooth devices are noted for reconnection. Now, navigate to Settings to begin. These preparatory actions save time and prevent data loss during the reset process. You will now perform the factory reset through Settings. Go to Device Preferences, scroll to Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. This clears apps, accounts, and settings. When prompted, confirm and enter your PIN or Google password to authenticate. That prevents accidental wipes. The TV will restart and show progress. Do not unplug power or interrupt the process, because that can corrupt firmware. Once the system completes, the TV boots into initial setup, ready for your account sign-in and updates. Finish by following the on-screen setup and signing back into your Google account so apps and services resync. Reinstall apps from the Play Store, pair Bluetooth devices, and immediately check for system updates to ensure stability. If the TV fails to boot or gets stuck, try a simple power cycle by unplugging for 60 seconds and restarting. If that fails, use the hardware recovery reset. With power off, hold the reset button or use the recovery key combination per model to force a fresh factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.